Have you ever pondered the power of a simple lemon? The tart, tangy juice of this humble citrus fruit holds a wealth of benefits, and today we'll unveil an inspiring tale that highlights the remarkable relationship between a person, a community, and lemon juice. Picture a small coastal town in southern Italy known as Amalfi. Here, in this picturesque setting, lemons are not just a fruit, but a way of life, a symbol of community and a source of pride. Among the lemon groves of Amalfi, a young man named Luca was born and raised. Luca's family has been tending to their lemon groves for generations, producing some of the finest lemons, known for their thick, fragrant skin and a high concentration of juice. As a child, Luca was fascinated by the lemon trees that seemed to stretch into the horizon. He would often be found in the groves, helping his family, learning the art of nurturing these sunshine-colored fruits. But it wasn't just about growing lemons. Luca's grandmother, Nonna taught him the many ways to use the lemon juice, from culinary delights to home remedies. Nonna was a firm believer in the healing properties of lemon juice. She would start each day with a glass of warm water, with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. She claimed it kept her energetic, helped digestion, and boosted her immunity. Nonna Maria's belief in the power of lemon juice was infectious, and soon Luca adopted this daily ritual. As Luca grew older, he began to notice the increasing health issues in his community, particularly related to digestion and energy levels. He remembered Nonna Maria's daily ritual and wondered if lemon juice could be the answer. With a heart full of determination, Luca started a campaign to promote the health benefits of lemon juice within his community. He began by organizing workshops and seminars, explaining the various benefits of lemon juice, from its rich vitamin C content to its potential role in weight management. He shared Nonna Maria's recipes, showing how easy it was to incorporate lemon juice into daily meals. Slowly but surely, the community started to embrace Luca's initiative. People began reporting improvements in their health and overall well-being. The local cafe even introduced a lemon juice-infused menu, which quickly became a hit among locals and tourists alike. Luca's story is a testament to the power of conviction and the potential of simple, natural solutions like lemon juice. It's a reminder that sometimes the answer to our problems might just be hanging from the tree in our backyard. In summary, this story highlights the remarkable benefits of lemon juice, from boosting immunity and aiding digestion to promoting energy levels. It showcases the potential of natural solutions and the power of community in embracing healthier choices. From the lemon groves of Amalfi to your local grocery store, lemon juice is more than just a tangy addition to your dishes. It's a testament to the power of nature, a tribute to the wisdom of our ancestors, and a call to embrace healthier, more conscious living. So the next time you see a lemon, remember Luca, remember Amalfi, and remember the power of this humble citrus fruit.